free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. If you found value, subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'm out. Alright, drag the audio onto the Premiere Pro timeline, and then I'm zooming in, and then I'm zooming out. I highlighted the video clip, and we're going to go into Effects Control, and then we're going to type right here, treble, slap that on the audio piece, and then type in bass, slap that on the audio piece on the timeline as well. And then last but not least, type in hard limiter, and it's under audio effects right here, but I already have one, so that's a preset that's saved, so slap that on and then click OK, and then click here under effects control, and then click and then type in, let's say 11, and then with the bass type in 5 decibels, and this is what we have, the before.
Look, I'm not a young guy, that's no secret, but here's the deal. I understand how to get things done for the American people.
And then this is the after.
Look, I'm not a young guy, that's no secret, but here's the deal. I understand how to get things done for the American people.
Okay, right, so in order to get one more thing done right here, we don't have the audio peaking because we don't want the audio to peak like right here. We're going to go into the same thing right here, effects control, audio, and then under hard limiter, click this called edit, and then this window is going to pop up right here. Make sure that the preset is under default, and then make sure that this is, let's say, peak, maximum amplitude right here. Click this little circle icon right here, and see how it says negative. That's exactly what we want. And then if you drag it more to the left, notice that the dB or decibels becomes more negative, or it decreases, and this is exactly what we want. So you can mess around with this, but this should be good. Say -5, -6, click the X, and then now this is the before.
Look, I'm not a young guy, that's no secret, but here's the deal.
And then this is the after.
Look, I'm not a young guy, that's no secret, but here's the deal.
It's the same thing, right? When I made the audio sound so much better, now you've made your voice sound legit, professional, cinematic, in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.